kahit ikaw ay may pananampalatayang kasing liit lang ng butil ng mustasa, kaya mong i-command yung bundok to move from here to there, because nothing shall be impossible with the Lord. Now, it sounds easy, maliit na mustasa, tapos kayang pagalawin ang mountain-sized problem. Parang ang daling pakinggan. Pero kung titignan mo yung formula, lumalabas na kung meron kang pananampalataya, hindi sa liit nito, kundi sa authenticity ng pananampalataya, yung pananampalataya mo ay potent. Ibig sabihin, powerful. Ibig sabihin, kapag nanampalataya ka, ina-activate mo yung kapangyarihan ng ating Panginoon. Because yung kapangyarihan ng Panginoon, hindi nagbabago yon. He is always powerful. Na sabi uli ng scripture, kung meron kang pananampalatayang kasing liit lang ng mustasa, kaya niyang iurong at i-resolve yung problemang kasing laki ng bundok. Just think about what I just